Thanks for stopping by today. Today's scrapping project, I got an ice maker I'm going to take apart, see if there's any valuable metal in it. Let's take a look at it. Now, there's probably not going to be a lot of scrap in it, but be interesting to tear apart to see what's inside. Oh wow. It's got a little compressor just like a refrigerator. Here's a whole unit that was inside the ice maker. I didn't cut any wires, any lines. I might try to do a project with this later. I didn't want to destroy it. So I got everything out of there without tearing anything up or cutting any lines. So I might do a little project with it later. It's pretty impressive what's inside the ice maker. It's almost like a mini air conditioner. Alright, thanks for following along. We'll see you in the next video.